we'll guide you through how to create a Vercel Generative UI. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Vercel website at vercel.com. Once you're there, sign in to your Vercel account or create one if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll be at your dashboard. Now, click on the New Project button to start a new project. You'll see options to import an existing project from GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Choose the repository that contains your codebase or start with a new one. If you're creating a new project, you'll need to set up a basic structure for your application. Next, go to the Vercel dashboard and navigate to the Integrations section. Here, you can search for and add the Generative UI integration. This tool will help you design your UI components using AI-driven templates. Once added, access the integration and choose a template that suits your project. Vercel's Generative UI provides multiple design options and allows you to customize colors, fonts, and layout. You can adjust these settings to fit your brand or project needs. After setting up your templates, you can preview the components directly in your project. Use the Vercel CLI to deploy your project and see your changes live. Open your terminal, navigate to your project directory, and type Vercel deploy to publish your updates. Vercel will automatically build and deploy your project, making it live with the new Generative UI. Make sure to test the responsiveness and functionality of your UI components to ensure everything works seamlessly. By following these steps, you'll have a stunning and functional UI powered by Vercel's generative tools. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.